the only place where truth and beauty meets the same. A glorious morning to one and all present over here. It's my great pleasure to welcome you all for this special event. We are truly honored by your presence today, and we are thrilled to have you to share this occasion with us. As an anchor, my task is to guide you all through this event, making sure it is memorable one for everyone involved. So without any further delay, let's kickstart this grand event. Today, we gathered here to celebrate National Mathematics Day. A day of great significance marks the birth anniversary of the legendary mathematician Shree Ramanujan. The celebration aims at spreading awareness about the importance of mathematics and the contribution made by Shree Ramanujan in the field of mathematics. As everyone aware, we begin every occasion and event with prayers. Purification of soul, what prayer is all about. It clears our mind of unfavorable idea. It aids us realizing hope and dreams. So I would like to invite my friends from class 10 for prayer song.
शारदे लोक पूजिते ज्ञानदाते नमोस्तुते ताई शारदे लोक पूजिते ज्ञानदाते नमोस्तुते प्रेमದಿಂದಲೇ ಸಲಹು ಮಾತೆ ನೀಡು ಸನ್ಮತಿ ಸೌಖ್ಯದಾತೆ ತಾಯಿ ಶಾರದೆ ಲೋಕ ಪೂಜಿತೆ ಜ್ಞಾನದಾತೆ ನಮೋಸ್ತುತೆ ಅಂಧಕಾರವ ಓಡಿಸು ಜ್ಞಾನ ಜ್ಯೋತಿಯ ಬೆಳಗಿಸು ಅಂಧಕಾರವ ಓಡಿಸು ಜ್ಞಾನ ಜ್ಯೋತಿಯ ಬೆಳಗಿಸು ಹೃದಯ ಮಂದಿರದಲ್ಲಿ ನೆಲೆಸು ಚಿಂತೆಯಾಳಿಸು ಶಾಂತಿಯ ಉಳಿಸು ತಾಯಿ ಶಾರದೆ ಲೋಕ ಪೂಜಿತೆ ಜ್ಞಾನದಾತೆ ನಮೋಸ್ತುತೆ ನಿನ್ನ ಮಡಿಲಿನ ಮಕ್ಕಳಮ್ಮ ನಿನ್ನ ನಂಬಿದ ಕಂದರಮ್ಮ ನಿನ್ನ ಮಡಿಲಿನ ಮಕ್ಕಳಮ್ಮ ನಿನ್ನ ನಂಬಿದ ಕಂದರಮ್ಮ ನಿನ್ನ ಕರುಣೆಯ ಬೆಳಗಲಮ್ಮ ಬಾಳಲು ಬೆಳಗಮ್ಮ ನಮ್ಮ ಕೋರಿಕೆ ಆಲಿಸಮ್ಮ ತಾಯಿ ಶಾರದೆ ಲೋಕ ಪೂಜಿತೆ ಜ್ಞಾನದಾತೆ ನಮೋಸ್ತುತೆ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಮಾತುಗಳಾಡಿಸು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಕೆಲಸವ ಮಾಡಿಸು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಮಾತುಗಳಾಡಿಸು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಕೆಲಸವ ಮಾಡಿಸು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ದಾರಿಯ ನೆಮ್ಮ ನಡೆಸು ವಿದ್ಯೆಯ ಕಲಿಸು ಆಸೆ ಪೂರೈಸು ತಾಯಿ ಶಾರದೆ ಲೋಕ ಪೂಜಿತೆ ಜ್ಞಾನದಾತೆ ನಮೋಸ್ತುತೆ ತಾಯಿ ಶಾರದೆ ಲೋಕ ಪೂಜಿತೆ ಜ್ಞಾನದಾತೆ ನಮೋಸ್ತುತೆ ಪ್ರೇಮದಿಂದಲೇ ಸಲಹು ಮಾತೆ ನೀಡು ಸನ್ಮತಿ ಸೌಖ್ಯದಾತೆ ತಾಯಿ ಶಾರದೆ ಲೋಕ ಪೂಜಿತೆ ಜ್ಞಾನದಾತೆ ನಮೋಸ್ತುತೆ.
Thank you for bringing this devotional moment among us. It's our first and foremost duty to welcome you all. I would like to invite my friend Yashaswini to welcome you all. Equation. In order to gain most, we have to know how to convert negative to positive. Good morning everyone, it's me, Yashaswini. It's my privilege to welcome one and all present here. First and foremost, I would like to welcome our principal, Mr. Nagaraj sir. And I would like to welcome Mrs. Lakshmi Devi. Welcome you sir and ma'am. Next, life teaches us the power of passion. Today, we remember his contribution, which include over 4,000 original theorems. Now, I want all of you to close your eyes and seek blessing from our mathematical journey. To know about the day, so I would like to invite my friend Manushree to give informational speech. Not present here. Today, I stand before you to celebrate a subject that shapes our world in the ways we might not always realize that mathematics. Yes, we are gathered here to celebrate the National Mathematics Day, which acknowledge the importance of mathematics in our life. Mathematics Day in English might sound to another calendar on the day, but it marks the birth anniversary of India's one of most brilliant Shree Ramanujan. He was a self-taught mathematical genius and made the significant contribution to the field of mathematics, especially in the number theory. Maths is just not about the numbers, formulas or equation. It's the universal language that transfers border and cultures. It's the language that allows scientists to understand the mystery of universe and economics to make the sense of complex in a financial system. Maths is everywhere around us. If we notice it or not from the time we wake up and check the clock at the moment we go to the bed, when encounter the math in the various forms, when we cook, plan or shop, we in our budget or even our game, we are using the mathematical concept. On this day, let us recognize the beauty and powers of mathematics. It's not a subject what we see in a textbook. It's the tool of empower to solve the real world problem. It's the subject that compete with our mind and critical thinking and teach us our problem solving skills. As a student, teachers, parents and individuals, let us support the study of mathematics and inspire the next generation of mathematicians, scientists and inventors. In conclusion, National Mathematics Day is not a celebrating of number. It's the celebrating of incredible impact in our world mathematics. So, let us continue to explore the National Mathematics Day. Thank you for your attention and happy National Mathematics Day. It was so informative. Despite our struggle and hardship, Ramanujan never gave up his love for mathematicians. He worked as a clerk but spent his free time in exploring the worlds of numbers and equations. Know about the magician of maths with PPT presentation.
The great mathematical prodigy who contributed mathematical analysis, number theory, infinite series and continued fraction. Shree Ramanujan, an Indian mathematical prodigy. He was born on 22nd December 1887 at Erode. Parents Komalathammal K. Srinivasa Iyengar. The house where he was born. His mother Komalathammal and his wife Janaki Ammal. Born 22nd December 1887, Kumbhakam, Madras, Presidency, British India. Died 26th April 1920. Chitput, Madras, British India. College, Government Arts College, Pachayappa's College, Cambridge University. Academic Advisors, G.S. Hardy at J.E. Littlewood. Discovery of theory. No formal training in mathematics. Made extraordinary contributions to mathematical analysis, number theory, infinite series and continued fractions. Expert in trigonometry at age 12. Discovered theorems of his own. Fellow of the Royal Society and Trinity College, Cambridge. School education. Went to school first on 1st October 1892. Had to switch primary school 3 times due to circumstances. A synopsis of elementary results in pure and applied mathematics. Book acknowledged in awakening the genius without a degree and pursued research in mathematics. After marriage, married to 9-year-old bride Janaki Amin on 14 July 1090, went door to door for job, tutored college students. Research with Rao, met V. Ramaswamy Iyer, founder of Indian Mathematical Society, introduced to R. Ramachandra Rao, Sesi of the Indian Mathematical Society, impressed by Ramanujan but doubted his integrity, continued mathematical research with Rao's financial help. Published his first work in the Indian Mathematical Society, Ramanujan was shown how to solve cubic equations in 1902 and he went to find his own method to solve the quadric. The following year, not knowing that the quintic could not be solved by radicals, he tried and of course failed to solve the quintic. Moving to England, Hartley considered him to be a mathematician of the highest quality, a man of altogether exceptional originality and power. Hartley's one colleague, E.H. Neville, commented that not one theorem could have been set in the most advanced mathematical examinations in the world. Hartley invited Ramanujan to Cambridge University, but Ramanujan refused. Hartley then enlisted E.H. Neville to bring Ramanujan to England. With his parents supporting him, he agreed to the proposal this time. Life in England. Ramanujan boarded the SS Nivasa on 17 March 1914 and arrived in London on 14th April. He began working with Hardy and Littlewood. Hardy received 120 theorems from him in first two letters, but there were many more results in his notebook. After working with Ramanujan, Littlewood commented, "I can believe that he is at least a Jacobi." Hardy said he can compare him only with Jacobi. Ramanujan spent nearly 5 years in Cambridge. Honors. Awarded BA degree by research, later called PhD in March 1916. 6/12/1917, elected to London Mathematical Society. Became a Fellow of the Royal Society in 1980. Became first Indian to be elected a Fellow of Trinity College, Cambridge. Illness and returned to India. His health worsened in England, diagnosed with tuberculosis and vitamin deficiency. Returned to Kumbakonam in 1919 and died soon thereafter at the age of 32. In 1994, Dr. D.A.B. Young analyzed his records and concluded he had hepatic amoebiasis. 1729. Hardy arrived in a cab numbered 1729. He commented that the number was uninteresting. Instantly, Ramanujan claimed that it was the smallest natural number which can be written as a sum of cubes in 2 ways. Recognition. Tamil Nadu celebrates 22nd December as a National Mathematics Day. Stamp released by the government in 1962. 22nd December celebrated as Ramanujan Day, Government Arts College, Kumbakonam. National Symposium on Mathematical Methods and Application, SASTRA Ramanujan Prize. Here is a magic square. Ramanujan's magic square. Sum of numbers of any column is equal to 139 and sum of diagonal elements is equal to 139. Sum of any 2 into 2 square is again equal to 139. Ramanujan's best quote. An equation for me has no meaning unless it expresses the thought of God.
Moving on, I would like to invite my friends from class UKG to entertain you with their steps.
Shapes, shapes, we are pretty shapes. Would you like to play a game? Will you tell our names? Yes! I go round and round, I look like a wing. Who am I? Who am I? Circle! Yes, circle. I am like an egg or a circle that is long. Who am I? Who am I? Oval! Yes, oval. I have 3 corners and I have 3 sides. Who am I? Who am I? Triangle! Yes, triangle. Shapes, shapes, we are pretty shapes. Would you like to play a game? Will you tell our names? Yes! I have 4 corners and sides, all my sides are equal. Who am I? Who am I? Square! Yes, square! I have 4 corners and sides, opposites are equal. Who am I? Who am I? Rectangle! Yes, rectangle! I have 4 corners and sides, I look like a kite. Who am I? Who am I? Diamond! Yes, diamond! Shapes, shapes, we are pretty shapes. Would you like to play a game? Will you tell our names? Yes! Oh, yes! I have 5 corners and I have 5 sides. Who am I? Who am I? Pentagon! Yes, pentagon! I look like a star. I have 5 pointed corners. Who am I? Who am I? Star! I'm a star. I look like a heart and I look like a moon. Who am I? Yes, who am I? Heart! Yes, heart! Shapes, shapes, we are pretty shapes. Would you like to play a game? Will you tell our names? Yes!
Thank you friends, that was really amazing. Now I would like to invite my friends to present their model. Everyone, let us introduce ourselves to you. My name is Shree and she is my friend Monica.
Today we are here to explain the Ramanujan's magic square.
Ramanujan was born on 22nd December 1887. So now let us find the magic square of Ramanujan's birthday. 22nd date, month, December, century 18, year 87. Year plus 1, 87 plus 1 is 88. Century minus 1 is 17. Month minus 3 is 9. Date minus 3 is 25. Month minus 2 is 10. Date minus plus 2 is 24. Year plus 2 is 89. Century minus 2 is 60. Century plus 1 is 19. Year minus 1 is 86. Date plus 1 is 23. Month minus 1 is 11. By adding all the rows, we'll get 139. By adding all the columns, we'll get 139. By adding all the diagonals, we'll get 139. The sum of Ramanujan's birthday is 139. Now I would like to call my friend to present with her own birthday.
I am going to explain the Ramanujan's magic square with my own birthday. My birthday is 25/7/2009. Now let us add 1 for year. 9 plus 1 10. Next century minus 1 20 minus 1 19. Next month minus 3 4. Next date plus 3 28. And year month 7 minus 2 5. Next date plus 2 27. Next year plus 2 11. Century minus 2 80. Next century plus 1 27. Year minus 1 8. Date plus 1 26. Month minus 1 8. Here if I had all the rows, all the columns and all the diagonals, I will get 61.
This formula you can apply it in your own birthday. So can anyone say your birthday?
7/2009. Here plus 1 is 10. Next century minus 1 19. Next month minus 3 is 4. Next date plus 3 is 19.
Minus 2 is 5. Date plus 2 is 80. Year plus 2 is 11. Century minus 2 is 80. Century plus 1 is 21. Year minus 1 is 8. Date plus 2 is 70. Plus 1 is 70. Month minus 1 is 6. Now let us add all the columns and rows.
Here let me add rows. 16 plus 7. 23 plus 20 43 plus 9 is 52. 26 plus 5 30. 31 plus 21 is 52. Now let us add diagonals.
Square number is 52.
Thank you and have a nice day.
Thank you friends for your presentation. We play our game. So here our friends from different classes going to play our game with maths.
The game is identifying the shapes.
Rectangle shape, triangle shape, circle shape, square shape.
The name of the game is identifying the shapes. The student should go and stand in front of the shape name set by the teacher.
Triangle, circle, rectangle.
Lakshya has won this game from UKG. The name of the game is identification of before and after number. Here the player will roll the dice. How many number they will get, they will write in the middle and they should have to identify before number and after number. Right answer. The name of the game is gathering the ball. Here the teacher will tell one number. You guys should pick that number of balls and want to put into the same circle.
3. 4.
10 of the game is identifying tens place and units place. Here we will give one sum you should have to add and want to place the number of stones in units place and tens place.
1 plus 1 32. 2 is in unit place. 3 is in 10 place. 1 2 3 1 2 3.
Name of the game is 7-up puzzle. In the given place they should have to arrange the number and if they add diagonally we should have to The name of the game is 7-Up Puzzle. Here they want to arrange the numbers in the given place. If we add that diagonally, they should get 14.
6, 7, 4 plus 3, 7, 2 plus 5, 7.
The game is drawing the figure without lifting their pen. Here they should draw this figure without lifting their hand. Here in this they should have to move their coins diagonally, and who will reach the opposite direction first, they will be the winner. Puzzle. Here, if they move 2 matchsticks, they should have to get 2 square. If they move 3 matchsticks, they should have to get 3 square. Like this, how many sticks they will move, they should have to get that much squares. Now you should move 3 matchsticks and want to form 3 squares. Matchsticks to get 5 square.
This is 1 square, this is 1 square, this is 1 square, and this is 1 square, and full 1 square.
Hello everyone, I am Jyotin. Today I am here to present max square model. The square of the number is the product of a number with their number itself. Here I am showing some example in this model. 1 square is equal to 1. 2 square is equal to 4. 3 square is equal to 9. 4 square is equal to 16. Square is equal to 25. Thank you.
Thank you, friends. Now I request our beloved principal sir and ma'am to address the students.
Students, good morning, ma'am. Hope you all fine and doing good. So today we are celebrating that Mathematics Day, National Mathematics Day, to commemorate the birth anniversary of Shree. Srinivasa Ramanujan was a great Indian mathematician, and his remarkable achievements, particularly in the magic squares, what you have observed are the demonstrations on so magic square as well as in trigonometry also. So trigonometry, in the sense, what is trigonometry? The name itself says that trigonometry means it is a combination of 3 words: tri, gono, and metry. Tri means 3, gono means sides. Gono means what? Sides. And metry, that meaning is measurement. Okay, totally. So trigonometry, it is applicable for the right angle triangle, and it is the measurement of 3-sided figure that is called as triangle, which is a 3-sided figure. Triangle. Okay, Srinivasa Ramanujan lived with us only for 32 years. How many years? 32 years. He doesn't live with a long year with us, only for 32 years. In that a very short period only, he became the famous mathematician because of his achievement mindset. So here the thing is years are how many years will you? So that is not the thing. The thing is how we are having the inventionary mindset or the achievement mindset. Here, so at the age of 9 years only, he has completed his education matriculation, and Later, he has completed his graduation also. By that time, not at all BSc and all BA. So whatever the subjects they'll get the degree and all that will be considered as honors of the BA clear by that time. So at the age of very early age only, he was very much impressed in mathematics. Okay, loved very much the mathematics subject and so he disliked the other subjects except the science and math. He disliked the other subject. For that reason only, so in his early education he got to fail for 3 times. For that reason only. For which reason? He disliked the other subject, but he very much lovable in math and science. Later he completed his early education and got the degree, and he was the first Indian mathematician who got the fellowship from the Trinity College. Clear? That's an important thing. And one more thing, so he was not at all lived with us for the long time because due to his illness only, as you saw now the PPT presentation, he was suffering from the anemic disorder. So he was not at all well also, but his brain was working more. Okay, once his famous his colleague only, he was also a famous English novelist who was that is nothing but health. Yeah. So when he moved to his home, when he was ill health with a new car, that car number was 1729. What was that number? 1729. His car number. Here his cab or car number. He was not at all interested or very much impressed with that number 1729 because it was not at all good. So for you, is it appears to be good 1729? Is it appears to be good in your view? Is it okay for you? The same opinion even his colleague also had. What 1729 was not a good number. So that's why he was not at all much more impressed with that number. And he has discussed the same thing with the Ramanujan. So in his ill health also, he is not able to get up also, but his brain was working more. What he told that 1729 was the great number, magic number. And then he asked how. He told that 1729 is the combination of 2 cubes, is the sum of 2 cubes. Which are those? Can anybody guess? 1729 is the sum of two numbers cubes. One is 10. Which number? The first number is 10. What is 10 cube? 10 cube is 10 cube in a sense 10 want to be multiplied for thrice. 10 tens are 100 tens are 10 cube means 1000. 9 nines are 81 nines are 729. So now 1000 plus 729 is that nothing but 1729. That's why he told that your core number consists of what? Sum of the 2 cube numbers, that is 1 number is 10 and the second number is 9. 10 and 9. Understood? So that's why even from that day it has been recognized as Harold Ramanujan number. It is clear. 1729 has been recognized as Harold Ramanujan number, and this National Mathematics Day to commemorate the birth anniversary of Ramanujan, first in India, was started by our former Prime Minister Manmohan Singh in the year 2017. From which year? 2017. So then onward, we are celebrating the December 22nd as National Mathematics Day. Okay. Yes, like that Srinivasa Ramanujan had a much more dream and have a great contribution towards the mathematics field. So even I too required, at least you have to become some of you has to become a mathematician. You have to love the maths. Maths will love you. Clear? Instead of loving the other thing, you need to be love what? Maths. Then maths will love you. Clear? Understood? Then the mathematics will become easy for you. Clear? Yourself have to take a oath, one oath. What? From today onwards, we will love maths. Sure? Yes, ma'am. Very good. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Thank you, ma'am. That was inspirational speech. At the end of this program, it's our gratitude to extend the word of thanks. So I'd like to invite my friend Shree to extend the word of thanks. Good morning, one and all. I deem it a great honor to privilege the word of thanks on this auspicious occasion. Gratitude is not only the greatness of birthdays, but the parents of all others. Firstly, I would like to thank our beloved principal, Mr. Maatha, sir. Such a memorable and a great day. Thank you, sir and ma'am. Next, I would like to thank all the teachers for their guidance and support to making this day a grand success. Thank you, teachers. Next, I would like to extend my sincere gratitude on all the students present here and making this day a success. Thank you, dear ones. Last but not the least, I would like to thank all the non-teaching staff for their tireless work. Thank you all. Finally, I would like to extend my heartfelt appreciation for you all present here and making this event grand success. Thank you, one and all.